forest of peace. In a quiet village, there was a small house among the trees with a pleasant breeze. A boy named Rena lived in that house. He loved to play on the wide grassland on the outskirts of the village every day. The grassland was full of colorful flowers, bees were buzzing around, and the birds were chirping. One afternoon, Lena went out to the grassland as usual, sat under a tree and began to read a book. Every time I turned the page, I was drawn into the world of the story, and eventually I felt a pleasant drowsiness. He closed his eyes and decided to rest for a while. In the dream, Lena was floating on a fluffy white cloud. The clouds were as light as feathers, gently wrapping him around him. He soared into the sky and traveled through the colorful dreamland, wrapped in the sunlight. There were smiling flowers, large rainbows, and colorful balloons floating there. Lena had a good time here with her friends, fairies and animals. Time passed slowly as everyone played, laughed, and sometimes took a nap. No matter what happened, everything was wrapped in a gentle smile. However, as she gradually felt the sunset, Lena realized that the time to go home was approaching little by little. He said goodbye to his fairy friend and promised to see him again someday. Lena slowly woke up with a lot of heartwarming memories. The wind of the grassland gently blew through him, and the flowers around him swayed. Rena yawned a little and was still immersed in the afterglow of the dream. And while cherishing the happiness in my heart, I took a deep breath again and went home with a smile. Since that day, Rena has been able to sleep soundly every night, looking forward to the continuation of the dreams she spent on the grassland. The moment when the world of dreams and reality intersected became the most important time for him. Good night, Rena. Let's meet again in a dream.